guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we've got some hot new content coming your way and many more for 2023. The company is called Forhallé and they kindly reached out to me on a collab, and they've sent me over one of their ponytails from their brand new ponytail extension line. So guys, I believe they sent me over their ponytail called Piper, and she's in 22 inches and I got it in the color 1B/plum red. So as you can clearly see, your girl's a redhead now. Like, I've been wanting to pull off this color for the longest, and one day I was like, you know what the heck, let me just go do it. So before I go in and add the ponytail, I'm gonna make sure that the back nape area of my hair is slicked up too. Off camera, I made sure that my edges were slicked and, you know, the front of my hair was slicked up. I just forgot to do the back, and that's what I'm showing you guys here. And the products used, I used the Got To Be glue, the yellow tub, and I used the VO5 Ultimate Hold Spray to make sure that everything was stuck and in place. And I'm gonna go in and redo my bun once more, making sure that I'm gathering everything up and it's all slicked up and intact. Man, I love this stuff. Again, I'm gonna go in with the VO5 Ultimate Hold Spray around the perimeter of my head, spraying all that everywhere and making sure that I've got all the flyaways and everything slicked up. Now it's time for the fun part. As you can see, I'm excited. So if you don't know about drawstring ponytails, I know a whole lot of them because I used to wear them way back in the day. Not necessarily now because I mainly wear wigs, but it's super easy, it's very beginner friendly. As you can see, there's two combs in this drawstring ponytail. You use the top comb and you slide it under your little bun, and then you use the bottom comb and you do the exact same thing but just underneath. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Always make sure those combs are really secured into your little bun, and then you see that little string, that's called the drawstring. What you do with that, you use it to secure the ponytail. So as you can see, you just pull it until your desired tightness. Then you wrap it around until it can't wrap around no more. And it's okay if you can still see the drawstring. We're gonna deal with that. So we're gonna pull out a piece of hair, and this is what we're gonna use to disguise and hide that piece of string that we can see. We're not trying to step out in 2023 and be looking a hot mess. We're trying to look cute out here. Then go and grab any holding hairspray that you have just laying around. Any holding firm hairspray will do. You just spray that on that piece of hair that we took out and just literally wrap it around until you can't wrap it around no more. And what the spray does, it literally holds that in place, and then after that we're good, Gucci. But also make sure you're spraying a good amount so that that bit doesn't come loose. So here I'm just making sure that it's in place and that it's stuck and it's not moving. And that's what the VO5 Ultimate Hold Spray does for you. And I'm really liking the texture of this hair. Like, when I'm running my hands through it, it's very soft. I didn't get much tangling. I believe this hair is synthetic because I know the difference between human and synthetic, and this is definitely synthetic, but it does feel like human hair, which is very surprising. But yeah guys, I'm just, you know, gliding my fingers through it, making the curls look more fuller, because this hair is very, like, the density is very thin. But boy, once I glided my fingers through it and separated the curls, baby, that hair came to life. Looks way more fuller and thick. So like I said before, yes, the density is very thin, but don't let that put you off, because once you glide your fingers through that's when you see the true body and fullness. And I'm really happy that the color matched my hair, because look how well it blends with my natural hair. I was kind of scared that it wasn't going to match, but I'm so glad it did because it all just blends very, very well. Like, my hair is a burgundy color, and this one was a 1B slash red plum, one of the two, and it just matches perfectly, which I'm so over the moon about. So if your natural hair color is just like mine, make sure that you get the 1B slash plum red. And if your hair is any other color, make sure you go through the color match before purchasing. But yeah guys, this video is coming to an end and I'm really happy with the end results. It looks good, you know, like it looks real pretty. I love the texture, I love the color, I love everything about this drawstring ponytail. It's super cute, lightweight. It's kind of making me revert back to wearing drawstring ponytails, I'm not gonna lie. And towards the end there, I just added a bit of H2O just to give the curls a bit more definition, and it works wonders. Like, look at that. Big shout out to Forhallé for sending me out this gorgeous burgundy red drawstring ponytail. Leave a big thumbs up and a comment down below to let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.